Is 2023 going to be the year of the home buyer? My predictions for the upcoming year in real estate. Hello, I'm Catherine Weir. It's safe to say that this past year in real estate has been somewhat unpredictable. In this market update, I'm talking about where real estate prices, inventory, sales, and mortgage interest rates are going for the upcoming year. I anticipate that home and rental prices will keep climbing next year, albeit at a much slower pace than we saw in the first half of 2022. Mortgage interest rates will remain high, but I don't expect them to rise too much more. Sales volume will continue to fall as some buyers are priced out of the market, and I'm also seeing buyers just waiting in the wings, waiting for some market shift or something to change. Home and rental prices have been falling from their peaks over the early spring, but they're still on the rise a little bit over the past year. Some good news for buyers is that inventory is up, so there are just more choices and homes for sale than there were in the first half of 2022. This is what home buyers, home sellers and renters can expect for the new year. Buyers, particularly first-time home buyers, can't afford to offer as much for a home when their monthly payments have increased due to these higher interest rates. However, I'm not seeing home prices dropping. Sellers don't want to lower their asking prices too much after seeing their neighbors sell for record highs just a few months ago. So what buyers can afford to pay with mortgage rates as high as they are may not match what sellers are looking for. And this is where I am seeing big price reductions and seller concessions, including interest rate buy downs in the majority of home sales, especially in this area. Inventory is still tight and there are still too many people who want a home compared to those that are available in King County. I think that home prices due to this demand will continue to rise at around 5% year over year in 2023. Compare this with during the pandemic when prices were rising as fast as 1.5% per month. Median monthly mortgage payments are also expected to be larger by about 28% this year and twice as large as they were in 2021 due simply to the mortgage interest rates. I think these interest rates will go over 7% and remain there in 2023, but not get too much higher than that. They are expected to remain high due to the Federal Reserve. As it hiked up its own interest rates to slow inflation, mortgage rates have followed in an upward, similar trajectory. And the Fed seems pretty committed to continuing to raise those rates as long as inflation is still a concern. The silver lining for buyers is that more homes will be available for sale. The inventory of properties is expected to spike by around 23%, and this excludes new construction. This surge, however, won't be due to more sellers putting their homes up for sale. Homes are expected to sit on the market for longer, as there will be fewer buyers who can afford to purchase. Those homes will accrue, which is why inventory will rise, and then we'll see what we are seeing everywhere at the moment, which is prices reducing and concessions happening. I expect that the spring season will be a little bit quieter than normal in 2023 as buyers struggle against higher mortgage rates and this general feeling of uncertainty. Renters are already stretched thin and are contending with higher and rising rents along with inflation, making it difficult to save up a down payment for a home of their own. Many homeowners will simply stay put and weather this uncertain time in the housing market. Plenty of people are locked into mortgages with very low rates, and that will make them think twice before selling their property and purchasing a new one with a mortgage rate that will be significantly higher. Even if a homeowner is downsizing to a much smaller home, it could still cost them significantly more to do so. The home ownership rate in America is expected to basically hold steady, ticking down to 65.7% in 2023 from 65.8% in 2022. So pretty much more of the same as the last 6 months is what we're heading for in the upcoming year. If you have any real estate questions, please feel free to connect with me. I'm Catherine Weir, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.